Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another daily analysis video. Welcome back. Today we start once again with Bitcoin, and I've placed a trade on Bitcoin today. A bit earlier of a video so I can show you my setup. And yeah, I'm gonna try and trade it around this red candle, because that's the candle that pushed us all the way up. And I got my stop loss just under this part. So we can also take a hit if it goes for this red candle. But I wanted to make a bit of an aggressive trade because Bitcoin made a beautiful move up. Finally some more action in the market on Monday, so that's great. We have, if you go to the lower time frame, you can see that it's actually having doubts of maybe placing it on this one, but I found that a little bit too aggressive, because if you want to completely protect your trades, you do need to take into account that I can test this one back. So they have a stop loss of around 0.40%, which is quite big. I also threw one of these, the volume on here. As you can see, it perfectly fits my entry. Usually it bumps a bit lower than the thing because a lot of stop losses are here, so the volatility, the liquidity is getting sucked into the market, and that usually means that a wick comes through a little bit lower. But as we know in one of my first videos, I accounted for that a bit too much, and I got front run on that one, unfortunately, which did end up to be a nice trade. I did get stopped out on that one. My stop loss got hit with this wick over here, so that's unfortunate, but that happens in trading, and I'm happy that I'm out of my trade instead of having a trade open around my entry, which is not that great. Okay, so what's next for Bitcoin? So we have pushed up a little bit. We have not gained this level so far, I think. We did? No, we haven't. So we can't test all this back, but we did gain this level, which is why I started looking at this part in the first place. If we go up even further, we are starting to look at this part. We can try and test this part. Then next is this high, and then after that is this high. If we can get there, I think if we test this one back, then we can start looking for this part and even potentially go up further, maybe back to the 28k zone. We'll see, but for now we're still stuck at the 26-25k zone, so we gotta do what we gotta do over there. Next, obviously Ethereum, a quick look. Let's see what we got over there. Almost my entry got hit, unfortunately got front run on it. Didn't place the trade, so it doesn't really matter anyways, but it would have been nice. What else? Beautiful staircase down, voila. Then we gained this part, so could we have placed a trade? We gained this, so we can test back on that part. Ooh, that would have been a beautiful trade. This final green candle as the top, though you could have actually taken this one as well. Either this one or this one for a long, which would have been nice. But next to that, I don't really see anything from Ethereum. You could also take the same trade that I do on Bitcoin with this red candle or this part in general. What else is there? Not that much. We're starting to see a little bit of a downtrend over here. So hopefully we can break that. Tested this one. Yeah. Also some volatility back into Ethereum, which is nice. And with Ethereum, the levels are a bit clearer in my opinion for when we go to the upside, which is gonna be around 1660. That's a nice level. And after that we can look at 1680 and even the 1695. If we break to the upside, if we break to the downside, we have this level for here, yeah. This, which is 1600, 1605. I think that's it for today's video. Not that many setups because, well, we're still in the range over here, so until something happens over here, the setups are pretty obvious in my opinion. Yeah. So if we go to the downside, you start looking at these candles. If we go to the upside, we start looking at these candles. And that's about it. Unless we break the support or resistance, obviously, we're gonna stay in the range. Well, thank you guys for watching this video again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want daily content. Like the video and leave a comment down below if you have any special requests. And I'll see you guys in the next video.